Okay, so the quick review, the change of base formula. So what happens when you encounter a problem like this? Well, if you remember and understand the change of base formula, this is a pretty simplistic problem. All right, not hard to deal with, but you've got to remember that formula. So let me refresh your memory. All right, log base b to a equals log a over log b. And look, it's just the top is the top and the base is the bottom. Or you can use natural logs, natural log of a over natural log of b. All right, so how do I apply that? This is going to be the log or the natural log of 77 over the log or common log or natural log, whatever you do on the top, you do the same thing on the bottom, of 5. So you just punch that in your calculator. Okay, so I'm going to punch in the log of 77 divided by the log of 5. And here's my answer. I got 2.69, oh brother, 6990 if I round off to the fourth decimal place. What did I just find? I just found 5 to what power equals 77? And the answer is 5 to the 2.699 power. 5 squared is 25. 5 cubed is 125. So I'd have to be between 2 and 3, right? And I am 2.690, and your calculator will do it for you. Pretty simplistic. As long as you remember the formula, remember what to do. Okay, so not a problem. Now, look at this exponential. Say, oh no, what do I do? I have no idea what to do. Well, change it to a logarithm. Change it to a logarithm, right? This logarithm is going to be, all right, so this way, exponent first, x equals the logarithm of subscript 3 to 11. Okay, so now let's use the change of base formula. And I like the natural log. You know why? It saves me a letter. All right, natural log of 211 divided by the natural log of 3. Punch it in your calculator. Natural log of 211 divided by the natural log of 3. And I got 4.8715. 4.8715. Just make sure if you use natural log on the top, you got to use natural log on the bottom. You can't do one with the common log and the other with the natural log. All right, so last situation, you say, oh no, how could I ever do this problem? Well, again, put it into logarithmic form. That's why you have to know how to convert. N plus 1, right, the exponent equals the log of the base, subscript 2.7, and then 4,203.6. Okay, what I want to do is, this is just simply the logarithm. I can move that 1 now or move it later. But let me just do this part. Would you agree this is the natural log of 4,203.6 divided by the natural log of 2.7, right? And if I move my 1 to the other side, it'll be minus 1, and that's what n will equal. Hey, that's not that hard. If you know the change of base formula, if you know how to change from exponent form to logarithmic form. So let me punch this out. And again, I could have used a common log, but the natural log saves me a letter. And I'm always out to save a letter whenever I can. All right, just punch that wrong, so let me do it again. 4203.6, 4203.6 natural log divided by 2.7 natural log equals, and then minus 1. What's the final answer? 7.4004. 7.4004. That's the value then. Wow, took care of that. No problem. All right, change of base formula. Real handy. Real handy.